everyone, it is Tieghan here from Half Baked Harvest, and I am a part of the Little Market Council, and I'm really excited to be here with them today, showing you guys how to make my watermelon Paloma. This is such an easy drink, and it's so much fun for the late spring and summer days. So I am going to start by rimming my glass with a little bit of chili lime salt. This is so good. You guys have to do this. It's just a little bit of Tajín, a pinch of sugar, some flaky sea salt, and a little lime zest. So I just take my lime and I go right around the rim of the glass, and then what you want to do is invert it into the chili lime salt, and you get a really, really, really pretty rim that adds a little bit of color, even more color, to your Paloma. You want to take lots of crushed ice and fill your glass about halfway full. And then what I've done here is I have blended up some fresh watermelon to make watermelon juice. You just blend it in the blender and then you strain it through a strainer. We're gonna pour that into a glass, and it's such a pretty color, and of course it's delicious. Who doesn't love a little bit of watermelon? A splash of lime juice. Can't do a Paloma without a little bit of tequila. And this is not traditional, but I really love to top all of my Palomas off with a little bit of bubbly water. It just adds like a nice special touch and makes it super refreshing. The final touch is a little bit of lime. Okay, you guys, and there you have it. There's my watermelon Paloma. It is so pretty and so simple to make. And I love that these little market glasses, which came all the way from Egypt, make it look even prettier and so unique.